Welcome everyone to Taste the World in Your Kitchen, episode 2. This time we are collaborating with our master chef Manar here.
Hi.
So what are we going to cook today, Manar?
Yeah, today's recipe is like Moroccan chicken with olives and lemon.
So, and our amateur chef today is Yeru. Manar is going to try to explain Yeru back to back how to cook this sophisticated recipe, and let's see what's gonna happen. Let's roll!
We're gonna start by peeling the onions. So Serena, could you please peel the onions? Cut it into half.
Half?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chop it in small cubes.
Small cubes.
Yeah. Do it the way you want.
Okay.
Then bring pan. Your pan is there. Black one.
Okay.
Put all the onions on it.
Okay. Yes.
Do it the same you did
all
with
the onions.
like
Okay.
contour. English. Then like you peel the tomatoes. Tomato, it's like just half tomato.
Peel?
Yeah, just like pour off the peel.
Okay.
What?
Slice it into small pieces. Put it in the pan as well.
Okay.
Put the chicken in pan.
Okay.
Finished? Yes. Then the oil. Okay, then we have to make it on top. We always like use wood spoons to stir everything. We don't use like other spoons. It's totally forbidden. But just like put it on a slow to stir everything for about 10 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna stir it until the onions are kind of transparent and not crunchy anymore. Now, Serena,
Yes.
take the butter.
Butter?
Yeah, the Moroccan butter.
Okay.
There is no substitute of Moroccan butter in all the world, so even if you want to look for some other alternatives, I don't think you can find it. It's not suitable to be eaten with bread in the morning with coffee. We use it only for cooking, for traditional cooking. So now we're gonna move to spices. Okay, I'm gonna start with salt. I'm gonna like put small spoon, not full, please. Then black pepper.
Okay. How much? Same.
Black pepper, no, just like a little bit, yeah. Then the ginger. Ginger we need to put pretty much a lot. Put like a full spoon. So we don't have rule for spices, we just control it by smelling.
Okay.
But
I don't know how to do it.
then the curcuma.
Coconut, okay. How much?
Like full spoon as well.
Okay.
And curcuma is like similar to curry, but it doesn't have the same taste as curry, but it's from the family. You know, they are kind of cousins. and even it gives like color to the Moroccan dishes. If we don't want to use the artificial saffron, then we use curcuma because it's more healthy than artificial saffron, and it gives taste as well. Done. And then the garlic powder, just a small like small portion. It's not full spoon.
What?
The herbs.
Herbs?
Yeah.
All?
Yeah, all.
What are the herbs?
Coriander. Done with the herbs?
Yes.
Then you need a knife.
Knife, okay.
Take the lemon.
Okay. Lemon?
Yeah, and pour off only the pulp. Don't like the way the skin because we're gonna use it.
Okay.
And then just cut to small pieces. Cover your pan and forget about it for about like 5 minutes. Because basically we need that all flavors gonna be mixed with each other, and it needs to be covered.
Question is going to be pretty easy. Madagascar is the biggest island in the world. Is it true or is it false?
False.
False.
Which one?
The biggest
Island in the world. The
Ah.
largest island in the world is Greenland.
Ah, okay.
But you knew that it's false, both, so score for both of you. Good job. So I can ask also the second question. The longest river, Volga, runs through Russia. Is that true or is it false?
False.
Is that the biggest river in the world, you mean? It's not.
Yes. So both of the, so it's kind of a tricky. Volga does run in Russia. This is true, but it's not the longest river in the world.
Okay.
So what is the longest river in the world?
Amazon?
It's the second one. The first one is Nile. It runs through Egypt.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, okay,
So maybe you should check your I might.
Oh wow!
How much water?
Until like the chicken is covered.
Okay.
Just like put the pot on normal or like high degree. Then I'm gonna be quicker. I'm gonna cover it and forget about it for about 45 minutes. It depends.
Manar, maybe you can tell something interesting about Morocco.
We do love to eat with our hands because we feel we are in direct contact with food. Moroccan traditional bakeries with the tea or coffee, such as halsha, rayef.
In Chinese culture, after we finish the first half of the fish, we don't
turn it over.
turn it over. No, it means like because the fishers thinks fish. If we turn it over, it means your ship is going to turn it over.
Oh.
So it's kind of forbidden. So instead of turn it over, we
Remove the bone.
remove the bones and then have the rest of the fish.
Making sure that the chicken is not stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so now I have a pan that we're gonna put in the oven.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take off the chicken. peel of lemon. The one we finished like
Small,
before.
small slice.
No, whole one.
Whole one.
Yeah.
And then
Put it on your sauce.
into the sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. Throw it.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Take olives.
Okay.
Throw them on your sauce as well. Reduce the heat. Because basically the sauce should be reduced.
Okay.
Cover it. I turn on my oven on 200 Celsius degree. I'm gonna put some mustard on it to give it like color.
Color.
Because when the mustard is like kind of burnt,
Okay.
it gives like kind of brown color to the chicken.
So it's not about the flavor, but
It's
more about color?
it's about the flavor as well, but more about the color.
Okay. It's like a glaze.
Yeah. Okay, I'll put them on the oven and for about 15 minutes, but I have to control the time. It depends. Every oven is like different, but until like the skin is brown, then I know that my chicken is ready and the sauce is like reduced in here. Really have to get like reduced sauce. Are you done? Serena?
What? My sauce? Yes.
It's already good.
Yeah, I think so.
One, two, three.
Aha! I think.
Basically it's same color.
Yeah.
Yeah, your plate is smaller than mine.
Okay.
It's not fair. But I think the sauce is perfect. It's like good reduced. You could see the onions, the olives, so everything is well done. We'll move to the taste.
Okay.
You how to taste it?
Okay.
According to the Moroccan way.
Yes.
You take the bread. You just like take a bit of the bread.
Okay. Done.
Done.
Okay.
Then take a piece of the chicken.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot, I know.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Put it on your bread. That way.
Okay.
Put the bread on the sauce.
Yes.
Then take one olive.
Okay.
It's very hot. Then you have this. Cheese.
Cheers.
That's okay.
I swear. She really made it the Moroccan way that should be made. At the end.
Let's eat.
Yes.
So we start to eat.
No, she's going to.
Yeah. So thank you guys for joining us today on our adventure, on our little Moroccan adventure today. Please like this video, subscribe to us, click the notification bell so that you do not miss our third episode, which will be, I will not tell you what will it be, do not be spoiled.